So first, you need 1 cup non-dairy milk. I'm using almond milk. And then when you put that in, get 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Oops. Ew. Okay. And then mix that and then wait for it to curdle up. While we wait for that to curdle up, we will put 1 cup of flour in a bowl. You have to sift that. And then after you're done sifting, get 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. Oh. Yeah, get all of that cocoa powder. And then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then get your 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And put 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Wait. Yeah, okay. And now it's mixing time. You'll be done mixing when you see it all mixed, and then it's like this nice brown color. Okay, let's go back to the liquids, and when it's like all curdle up, we're gonna be adding our 1/4 and 1/2 cup of sugar. I'd rather use granulated sugar, but I only have brown sugar, so we're gonna be using that. And then add 1/3 cup of canola oil. And put 1 teaspoon and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And then mix. When you're done mixing it, get your dry and then sift it in just to make sure there's no clumps. I know we sifted in a while ago, but just to make sure we have no clumps, we're just gonna sift it in again. And then just keep on sifting. I'm just gonna be helping this to sift it, but then when you're done sifting, mix it. Okay, time to mix. Make sure to smash the bubbles, or however way you smash your bubbles. It's fine if there's like tiny bubbles, like tiny bubbles that you can't smash, but make sure to smash that big bubbles and then mix it in. Oh, when it's ready, when you get that thick cake consistency. Looks like this, you know it's ready. There's like less bubbles, just tiny bubbles that you can't really get, so that's fine. Get your cupcakes in, and then get your mixture, and then pour in some of your mixture. Only put it halfway. When you're done, put it in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes.
Alam mo,
Look, it's not even gonna stick. Can you provide it? We're recording.
Then